Hi, it's Maureen Muldoon with Lesson 6 from A Course in Miracles. And again, if you don't know what A Course in Miracles is, this is the book A Course in Miracles. And like Joel Osteen says, I am what this book says I am, and I can do what it says I can do, and so are you. And basically, it's just that we are teachers of love or fear. So that's it. So we're teaching love and fear at all time, and we're all teachers. And so this book kind of tells us that either you're teaching love or fear, and that when you're teaching love and when you're aligned with love, that all things are possible, and that your good is ensured by the grace of God. Okay, I'm not even sure if it actually says that, but that's how I interpret it. So, lesson 6, I am upset because I see something that is not there. So this lesson is basically telling us that if we're upset about something, then it's because we're seeing something that's not there. Because God is all that there is. God is only love. And so only the aspects of love can be what is actually there. But we're choosing to see it differently. So we actually have to ask the Holy Spirit to reinterpret for us this thing which we have seen as broken or incomplete or unacceptable. So here we go. Let's just practice the lesson. I am upset because I see something that is not there. This exercise with this idea are very similar to the preceding ones. Again, it's necessary to name both the form of upset, anger, fear, depression, so on. You know, the whole bad news buffet that we talked about yesterday. And the perceived source very specifically for any application of this idea. I am angry at blank because I see something that is not there. I am worried about blank because I see something that is not there. Today's idea is useful for application to anything that seems to be upsetting you, and can profitably be used throughout the day for that purpose. So anytime throughout the day, if you find something that is upsetting you, you can actively say, I'm upset because I'm seeing something that's not here. So Holy Spirit, help me to see this correctly. And anytime that we're upset, we can ask the Holy Spirit to reinterpret for us what we think we see, so that we can see with the vision of God's love. It says 3 or 4 practice periods which are required should be preceded by a minute or so of mind searching as before, and the application of the idea to each upsetting idea uncovered in the search. So just take a moment to be still and to search your mind for any ideas, people, places, or things that seem to be upsetting to you. And then just apply the idea to it. I'm upset because I see something that's not there. And so this is how we're going to practice today. Again, if you resist applying the idea to some upsetting thoughts more than others, remind yourself of the 2 cautions stated in the previous lesson. That there are no small upsets. So, you know, a big upset is equally, so it's basically saying like a broken fingernail is the same as cancer. If it's going to take your peace of mind, it's going to take your peace of mind. So there's no degrees of upsetment in the same way that there's no degrees in miracles. You know, one miracle is equal to any other miracle. God can as easily find a parking space for you as God can move a mountain, because this is all an illusion. So if I'm upset by a little thing in the illusion, it's as equally silly as my being upset by a big thing in the illusion. It's all a dream. So there are no small upsets. They are equally disturbing to my mind, to my peace of mind. And I cannot keep this form of upset and let the others go. For the purpose of these exercises, then, I will regard them as the same. So I'm going to see all of these places of unsettlement and of upsetment, making up words today, sure, as equal and the same. If it has stolen my peace of mind even for a second, then it has stolen my peace of mind, and I've gone into insanity. So today I'm just going to remember, I am upset because I'm seeing something that's not there. And I could choose again to see God's love, and I could choose again to ask the Holy Spirit to interpret it for me. So that's the truth and the whole truth today. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow, which I always say at the end of these lessons. And it's a big fat lie, because I won't see you tomorrow. You'll see me tomorrow if you tune in. So, But you could post a video, and then I would see you. And otherwise, have a great day. God bless. Bye.